sticks that taste just right. Tomato red and juicy too. Veggies make you strong, yes, it's true. Top 10 veggies, sing with me. Healthy, happy as we can be. Colorful veggies every day. Let's shout their names. Hip, hip, hooray! Potato soft or crispy fry. Mash it up or stack it high. Spinach green like superpower. Makes you strong every hour. Top 10 veggies, sing with me. Healthy, happy as we can be. Colorful veggies every day. Let's shout their names. Hip, hip, hooray! Broccoli trees in tiny bites. Little forest kids ignite. Cucumber cool and fresh to eat. Crunchy snack that can't be beat. Pepper red, yellow and green. Brightest veggies you've ever seen. Onion rings or onion stew. Veggie fun for me and you. Top 10 veggies, yes we know. Helps our bodies grow and glow. Sing it loud, sing it strong. Veggie power all day long. Veggies, veggies on my plate. I love every single bite I take. Veggies, veggies on my plate. I love every single bite I take.